Next up, cut the head for Phalanx. In this, we need to trade for the encryption key at a buy station, activate the 4 laptops in the market in under 2 minutes with the encryption key, and finally extract with it. This is a pretty simple but very dangerous mission. What we need to do is customize our loadout to take in a good weapon. Then we need a few items for bartering at the buy station. We essentially need to take in a stronghold key card. If you don't have one of these, you'll need to find it in game. Then on top of this, your tactical should be a smoke grenade, and your lethal a throwing knife. Then your field upgrade needs to be a inflatable decoy, and assuming you have these 3 plus the stronghold keycard, you'll be able to trade for the encryption key at a buy station. I unfortunately don't have this, so I'll need to search for one in game. We can add some cash so we can hopefully buy it when we get there. You can usually buy stronghold keycards. We'll head to Vondel and start searching for one, assuming you don't already have one. There we go, we found a stronghold keycard. That's perfect. Now we need to head across to practically any buy station in Vondel, and inside of it we should find in the barter section the encryption key here. As you can see, we have all the items, so we'll trade for it, and just like that we'll have the first bit of the mission complete. Now all that's left to do is to stock up on gear, as you'll definitely need it for the area that we're going to, and we'll be heading towards the market stronghold here. On top of this, you'll also need to find another key card, as you do need to get into the stronghold. You'll need a key card in order to do so. On our way there, hopefully we'll find one. There we go, a stronghold key card. I'll grab this, and now we can find our way towards the market. Just keep in mind that you'll need to get into that center stronghold area and pretty much clear it out. This is where the danger in this mission comes in. This map can be unforgiving. Okay, so heading towards the market area. You could usually leave some AI crawling around. Just keep in mind that they will probably annoy you. Not to mention, I think these are players. Nope, never mind, they're just AI. Alright, so clearing out most of the area, it's probably safe to go to this stronghold now. All we need to do is open it up and clear it out. There we go. Okay, so inside, we'll clear the last of the AI here, and then we need to prepare to find the 4 laptops in 2 minutes. So, essentially what you're looking for are these laptops here. So for example, there's one by the entrance on the west side, then heading upstairs there should be another one on the west side pool table here, then one on the couch on the southeast side, that's 3 out of 4. And on the board here, on the left, should be the last laptop. There we go. Now all it's left to do is to extract successfully. So for us at least, it's just close next door here, but I do think this annoying command helicopter is going to give us some trouble. Anyways, we'll call an exfil here and get out of here. And of course, there's some other players around here. So what we'll do is we'll quickly head for the extract here and get out before any other players can get to us. Perfect. There we go. Upon extraction, the mission should now be complete. Sweet. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.